Okay, hopefully this one will be quick. It's the unboxing of my new toy, eBay find, Transel Dynamite 150. Bought off eBay. Paid good money for it. Paid more than I'd like to, but you know, I'm a semi fan of Transel. They talk real good, but the engineering and design of them is not the best made. So you know, they sometimes, if you don't watch what you're doing with them and take care of them, they have quirks and hiccups and stuff with them. I know the Nitro 300, they use tubes on a circuit board and two transformer scheme, and it's kind of problematic, you know, with that. A lot of issues with that amp. But this 150 had, I believe I saw 3 tubes in there. I think I had a Dynamite 50 once and sold it. And the reason I'm doing this video is because when I originally picked it up and turned it around, I heard a couple of, didn't sound like glass, but it sounded like metal on metal. And I'm like, oh man. You know, like something came loose and was clunking around. I guess I'll just knock to this side. Looks like it's double box, but still, you know. Let's see what we get here. I'm hoping for the best. But who is that says hope for the best, prepare for the worst? So I'm hoping for the best, but prepared for the worst with this thing. Yeah, that's all the packing they did. A double box. I guess they'd tell me, hey, I double boxed it, Tram Doctor. What more do you want, right? Look at that. Double boxed it, all right. A few peanuts. No bubble wrap at all. Zero, none, nada, nilch. They just stuck it in a box. And then, you know, put some peanuts on it and stuck it in a second box. Can you see in there? See my tubes? I see white on that one. That's done. I got tubes. But anyway, fun. You know, eBay, you pay your money, you take your chances. I know some people say, I'd send it right back and all that. You know, that's hassle too. And, you know, hopefully get your money back. At least it doesn't seem to have broken up the box too much. I mean the amplifier. But looks like the tubes are toast. So anyway, that's going to be my unboxing of the Transel Dynamite 150. Like I say, I believe I saw 3 tubes in there, so I don't know if it's one driving 2 or what. And I don't know if it's a modulator type box or not. Probably not if it's one driving 2 or one driving 3. Normally amps with a driver tube are grounded grid. Grounded grid needs a lot more drive than a tetrode or turbocharged amplifier. And that's why a grounded grid, you know, sweep tube needs a driver tube, because the tubes need a lot of drive. However, tetrode mode with the turbo is usually low drive. So that's a sign. But we'll see. Like I said, I don't know for sure. I don't even remember how that 50 I had was, and I certainly don't know anything about the 150 yet. But more to come. Hey, what's that? You pay your money, you take your chances. Alright, that's it for this one.